Hi, I would like to share with you how I upgraded my home computer network during this COVID-19 related lockdown. The incentive for this project came from a broken hinge on my old trusty Samsung laptop. So the first thing I did was to upgrade the operating system from Windows 8.1 Home Edition to Windows 8.1 Professional Edition, because as you know, the Home Edition does not support RDP server, and I wanted to open a remote desktop on this laptop. After that, I connected it to an external monitor and to a mouse and to an external keyboard. Then I connected this laptop to my Verizon Fios router as well as to my HP LaserJet 1100 printer. So in essence, and then I configured this laptop with the lid closed configuration. So in essence, I converted this laptop into a desktop and to a print server. Next, I took one Windows desktop computer that I had and completely formatted the hard disk and installed Red Hat Linux on it. And then I also installed many development software like Apache Web Server, Apache Solr search engine, and many programming languages and so on. And then I connected this Linux box also to that Verizon router, and so that now I have a network of Windows laptop, desktop, and a Linux box on my home computer network. Since I converted my laptop into a desktop, I needed a laptop now. Luckily, my daughter had a spare Dell Intel Core i7 laptop, which she gave it to me. But it was running on Windows 7 and it had many of her software and documents on it. So I formatted the disk, bought and installed Windows 10 Professional Edition, and then I installed many of the productivity tools, which included Microsoft Suite, Office Suite, which had Outlook, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Microsoft Project, Microsoft Visio. In addition to these tools, I also installed X Windows to open the desktop on my Linux box. I installed the app for interfacing and sharing the content with my 65-inch LG Smart TV, and a Magellan app for connecting and downloading video and pictures from my car GPS, and then the apps for Dropbox cloud storage and iCloud. And then here is the app for Zoom for video conferencing. Now with that, I could open the desktop on my Linux box. It's shown here, and I will come back to that a little bit later again. And then I can open the desktop on my Windows desktop, which is shown here. I could open many of the putty sessions on my Linux box to do some development work, and these multiple windows are shown here. And here is the VI editor, and it shows how I can do the development. Once I do the development on Linux box, I can then do the local testing. And here is the example of a website that I just worked on. And once I do the testing locally, then the code can be deployed on some web services where I can fine tune and then deploy for production. This is the app for sharing content with my 65-inch smart LG TV, and similar app I have installed on my iPhone so that I could share the content from my iPhone to my TV as well. And trust me, nothing beats the fun of seeing your pictures on a large TV screen. And here is the app for the Magellan GPS. I can bring my car GPS, connect to this laptop, USB port, and then download the video and pictures through this interface. So this the one issue that remained was that I have now access for 4 different cloud storages: Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive that comes bundled up with the operating system, Dropbox, and iCloud, the Apple's storage system. So after some investigation, I found the relative advantages of each of them. For example, iCloud is essential for backing up iPhone as well as uploading or downloading picture between to and from laptop to iPhone, creating album and sharing with friends and family members who use iPhone. Dropbox has a very easy interface. It's good to share pictures with friends who use Android. Google Drive has a very large user base of about 800 million people worldwide. It's very easy interface, easily available from Google Chrome, and it allows to share the documents and collaborate with them. And then the OneDrive is bundled up with the operating system, and it has the advantage that once you upload your documents on OneDrive, it is visible from any Windows platform. So I decided to keep all of them and use it as the case may be. Then this laptop was also connected to my inkjet Canon inkjet printer, color printer, and then the laptop was networked with Verizon Fios using Wi-Fi. So there you have it. I have a Windows laptop, I have a color printer, I have, as I mentioned before, a LaserJet printer, a Windows desktop, and a Linux box. And my home network also consists of includes the 65-inch high def LG smart TV, and then some of my cameras, security cameras. So it took me about 3 weeks of effort to put all of this together with all development tools and productivity tools and so on. I think it is very close to enterprise grade home network, and it was not very expensive. So I hope it will help you also to build and upgrade your home network. If you like this video, please hit that bell button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Bye now.